Lesson 3.5 is going back to triangles, which are a polygon. It's a three-sided polygon. We're going to identify and draw triangles of a given type. So triangles can be classified by two different things. One by the sides, the measurements of the sides. We have what's called a scalene triangle. That's when all three sides are different lengths, so nothing's congruent. Then we have an isosceles triangle, which you've heard of before. It has two congruent sides. And then an equilateral, think all three sides are congruent or equal. So we're going to have to pick one of these words, and then we're also going to have to pick one of these words which classifies triangles by its angles. It's called an acute triangle if all three angles are less than 90 degrees. Think acute is little. A right triangle is going to be if one angle measures 90. Of course, there can't be two angles that measure 90 because that would be already 180 degrees. So only one right angle makes it a right triangle. And then obtuse is if one angle is obtuse or greater than 90 degrees, which is happening right there. Okay, so let's try a few of these. It says determine the type of each triangle below based on its sides and angles. So looking at this, it looks like none of the sides are the same length, so that would be a scalene. And then the angles are all less than 90, so this would be a scalene acute. Number 2 has a right angle, I see that right away, and these two sides are congruent, so that would be an isosceles right. And then number 3, all three sides are different again, so that would be a scalene. But I see a really big angle here, so that would be obtuse. So the only thing I didn't see was an equilateral, which remember would be all three sides are equal.